Hey there everybody. The purpose of this video is to get you some solutions to this homework that we just turned in today. And now that I'm looking at it, I'm realizing that only a couple of them we can actually do on this video. Because the second and third one are based on the roles you actually got. So I'll just do one. I'll make up some numbers for one of them. So number one, it says, what does it say? It says approximate the fraction of time the die will come up with 3 dots if you roll it 6 times, 12 times, and 24 times. So I'm going to do all 3 of those at once, A, B, and C, only because we can. If you've got 6 sides on a die, and one of them is a 3, we had this discussion in class today, 1 out of 6 times you're going to get a 3 in the long run. If you roll it 12 times, well, you've doubled the number of trials, which means you're going to double the number of 3s that you're going to expect. And if you do it 24 times, you're going to double 12, which means you're going to double 4. So you should expect 4 3s out of every 24 rolls. We can keep this going forever. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go down and answer number 4 right now, since I'm just looking at number 4. How many 3s should you expect to come up over 96? Well, 96 is 4 times bigger than 24. So you should expect 4 times more 3s, or 16 out of the 96. So 16 3s out of 96. You'd also get 16 1s, 16 2s, 16 4s, and so forth. So that's actually numbers 1 and 4. We're going completely out of order here. I apologize. As far as number 2 and 3 go, I'm only going to do one of them because I don't have a die here, and I unfortunately have to run and set up the math contest. But if you see it once, you'll see it for all of it. Let's suppose in number 2A, I rolled my die 6 times, and I actually got 2 out of 6 3s. I got an extra 3. If you remember in class today, I rolled a die 3 times real quick, and I got 3 5 5. So it happens. It happens frequently, actually, that you get repeated numbers. In 3A, I say, how different was the fraction that I got in 1A and 2A? And I said, use your fractions. Well, the difference, you would take 2/6 minus the 1/6, the 2/6 from here, and the 1/6, and just subtract them. And we've had this discussion too. That's about 1/6 different, or it's exactly 1/6 different. So you were off by a 1/6, which is actually a large percentage. We'll talk about that starting next week. But nonetheless, it's only a large percentage because you only rolled it 6 times. It would be very different if you rolled it, say, 6,000 times. And if you rolled it 6,000 times and got 2,000 3s versus 1,000 3s, that's a hugely different 1/6 than this 1/6 is. So apologies for that. So what we're going to do is leave it at that for now. That's enough to get you through the homework anyway. And we'll catch you on Monday. Have a good weekend.